Lovely. You'll see I have a nice flash new chair, and this is the purpose of this video. I've been sent this chair to try out. When the company first contacted me, I thought, oh, that's strange. Why would they want me to try out a chair? I do stuff in the garage and play with cars. But then it occurred to me I spend quite a lot of time in a chair doing the editing, and it quite often gives me quite a bad back. I do suffer with back problems. That's one of the reasons why you only end up doing a couple of hours at a time in the garage and why things take so long. But hey ho. So I thought, yeah, okay, I'll give that a go, see what it's like. And I've been using this now for about a month, doing editing and messing around, and it's really, really comfortable. It's really, really nice. Then it occurred to me that many of you guys watching may be working from home. So, and you spend a lot of time in a chair in front of a computer, which is backbreaking. So editing takes me between 2 and 4 hours per video, depending on what I'm editing, usually on and off. And that can take its toll on you. So a decent chair is worth having. And I must say, I can recommend this. And now I see the sense in why they've sent it to me. So the video is about it arriving and putting it together. I did do an intro and an outro for the video inside the house, but the lighting in the room which I did it in, the room where my computer is for editing, was horrific. So it looked terrible, so I've come back here and do it. So this will be the intro, and yeah, I won't bother putting an outro in the end of it. It'll just get the chair at the end, so it may look a bit rubbish at the end, but yeah, hey ho. All the details for how you can get one of these chairs and where from, and the discount code and all that goodness will be in the description. So hope you enjoy the video, and I will enjoy my chair. Righto, welcome to the room where I do my editing. So it all goes on in here. There's my computer, an old TV I use as a monitor, and I have been sent a chair to try out from Flexspot. Put a link of that in the description. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. That's going to go mad when he sees this box. Silicate gel to go in my 3D printing box where I keep my filament. That's a fair weight on it. Interesting. that box to one side. There's a weight on that piece, whatever that bit does. I guess that's the base. Right, there it is, all laid out on the floor. Obvious bits and base and back some headrests and stuff. And we have the instruction manual to put it all together. So let's see if we can do that. What I didn't see was a packet of nuts and bolts. Even comes with an Allen key. Happy days. I like them the right way around. Righto, there it is, all built up. It's nice and comfy to sit in. There's lots and lots of adjustment on it. You can adjust the seat base in and out. You can adjust the tilts and rakes and everything of it and the height. So that should be nice and comfy for when I'm doing my editing. And hopefully will help with my back issue as well, because I've got the lumbar support is superb on it. Lovely. Thank you very much, Flexspot. I appreciate this very much. We will do some editing with this, and that takes a good few hours at a time. So that'll be the real test. But so far, I think it's really nice.